failing and also trying to recover from failures. So let's take a look at a quick example here. Let's say that I want to use a Key Vault module. In this case, we're using an Azure Verified module. So that's a module that's managed and maintained by Microsoft. But let's say that within our company, we decided that whenever we deploy a Key Vault, whenever we do that inside the location needs to be as a prefix inside the Key Vault name. So in this case, the name that I defined here is not code compliant to our own coding standards, and it should fail. So let's actually go ahead and see if it does. So I'm using the deployment pane here to quickly do a validate of the template. In case you're not familiar with this is one of the big benefits of the VS Code extension as well, allowing you to do things like validate the what if that Esther mentioned earlier as well, or even direct deployments right from within the VS Code console. So within a couple of seconds, it should fill, and that is what we're seeing here. So we're now seeing this customized error towards the administrator, not only saying that it failed, but also some of the reasons why. And this is the way you do it. So you create a new variable with a name, and this is the failure condition, where you basically say if the condition is East US and the Key Vault name does not start with East US dash, we need to fail because not compliant against our coding standards. So let's go ahead and actually change that to see what happens. So I'm going to add East US dash to the name and do a quick validation again and see what happens. Takes a couple of seconds to complete. I don't want to be a spoiler, but it's actually going to fail again. And the reason is that there's another fail detection right here. So that's important to know, that if you have multiple fail detections inside the Bicep template, if it fails upon the first one it comes across, it will stop checking the rest, right? So this is another error that we need to fix because of our coding standards that we defined. So a great way to provide admins with a very great summary of what is going wrong in case you want to do very specific checks against your own, in this case, coding standards.